What is up, KG Babes? We're back with another freaking video. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started because I have to be at a dinner, which is my dinner. My birthday was December 29th, but I'm actually celebrating it now because I came back home early, so I didn't celebrate it with anyone. So we're gonna do our makeup, and y'all are gonna see like the process of me probably picking out my outfit or just the finishing outfit with makeup look. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Yeah, I got a whole new setup. I'm getting up there with my like quality and everything that I'm doing. So we're gonna go ahead and do the eyebrows first. So we're gonna do both. We're gonna do gel and pencil at the same time, period. So this is my primer. It's like a 2-in-1 primer and setting spray. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on first. Kind of like dab that up. All right, so we have that. I know they look crazy. So we're gonna go in with the, what do you call it? The brow stuff, the brow gel. So we're gonna start putting some concealer and everything. Really, I need some more concealer, okay? I'm telling y'all, this is my dinner and I won't look a mess, okay? I plan on looking like I care about my life, period. And I still don't even have an outfit. But yeah, I'm using this brush, y'all. My hands are like very, very shaky for some reason. I don't freaking know why, but they're shaky. So I like to go in and like blend this out a little bit first, so that way it's not like really just sticky on there. You know, it helps to blend it out whenever I go back in with my foundation. We're gonna do contour everything today. Anyways, we're gonna go in this 355 coconut fit me color. I feel like this one kind of makes me darker, but we'll go with it. Guys, using this Airspun loose face powder, period. Max blush color. See what that does. I'll be back, you guys, with the last little finish of this video. So okay, what's up, you guys? So clearly I didn't even record me picking out my outfit because honestly I had like 20 minutes to get dressed or whatever. This was like a late birthday kind of dinner vibe at a hibachi place and I freaking enjoyed it. It wasn't that expensive either. I was thinking to like come out of there spending like $100, but that was not the case. But so I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video because I literally have like 2 assignments due at 11:59 p.m. and it's currently like 10:25, so I need to go ahead and like wrap this up, get it done. Y'all, I'm just gonna say before I end this video, literally I just wanted a night to be about me for once, and I just kind of feel like I've never had that moment, and at this point like I just feel like I probably never will. But anyways, the food was great, the vibes was cool or whatever. Yeah, so bye guys, see y'all in the next freaking video, and thanks for all the new subscribers that I've been getting since my last post. Hopefully this video gets to 100+ views too. So yeah, see y'all in the next video.